I've got a parchment bag here, and I want to make sure, or when you make the bags, make sure that the tip here is pretty closed. You don't want it to be too open, or you're going to have chocolate on your lap. I'm going to take some of the green chocolate here. We're going to be making trees, and I'll go ahead and pour some of that in. See how some of it's coming out? So you don't want to hold it over your lap. So then I want to scrunch all of this down. And then I'm still going to cut a little bit more off because that would take me all day. Make sure that the paper doesn't go anywhere near your stuff here because, you know, it gets stuck in your teeth when you chew on it. It's not good. So I'm going to go ahead and take my green and just squeeze a bunch of green in here. And when I get just a little higher, right about here, I want to get some brown in here also. So I've got some just regular milk chocolate in this bag. Tiny bit more off. And I will go ahead and squeeze that. If I just keep doing the green, it's going to go in that area. How do I know that? Because I did it here. So hopefully this will work better. If not, we'll have to do something else. But it should be fine. Okay, so then this one, same. Since the tree part is so deep, just fill that up until it gets where the trunk of the tree is. More chocolate here. And when all these are filled up, I will tap this also to get any air bubbles out. These are little bushes, so I'll go ahead and pop some green in there. And then the other things, these are little fence pieces. So I thought I would do a few of these. And right now it's not in all those little grooves, but once you tap it, see how it will go in those? Let me see if I have enough for this last one. And then this will go into the freezer also. And we'll have some cute and easy trees. Okay, right about where the chocolate needs to be. And I think I will just take a tiny bit more from my cup here. In and voila. Okay. May as well do this. Okay, into the freezer we go. All right, let's get some white stuff going on here. I've got this is super white chocolate. There's white and then the super white. I kind of like the super white. They'll both work if you can't find it. Oh, look at that. Wasn't holding it over the bowl. Guess what's on the floor now? All right, so this is a little lamb mold. A little lamb and big lamb. So I thought we should do some of these, maybe. You know, that big ones might be too big. Those little ones, it looks like their legs are up here, but I think we are going to have to do the whole thing. Let me try a couple with just putting a little less chocolate in so that it just basically does the legs like that. Because you can never have too many, right? That should do it. We got a mama and a papa and the babies, right? No. I'll put that in the freezer in a second. And then I go back up and down. Ta-da! Like that. I don't know why it's a little harder for me to see this here. And a lot of times this one actually breaks when they come out. Oh, I did a terrible job. I'll still use the pieces though. I don't know, something about this one, I love it, but you never get out the whole pieces. But the way I usually decorate with it,